The fin whale, Balænoptera physalis, is a magnificent marine mammal known for its impressive size and distinctive appearance. As the second largest animal on Earth, after the blue whale, this species captivates with its unique features and remarkable adaptations for life in the open ocean. Lengthy giants. Fin whales can reach lengths of up to 80 feet, 24 meters, and weigh around 70 tons, making them an awe-inspiring presence in the oceans. Symmetrical coloration. These whales exhibit a distinct asymmetrical coloration on their lower jaws, featuring a white or light gray right lower jaw and a dark left lower jaw.